Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll shine a spotlight on the exciting user experience improvements in the 2023.4 software version of Typhoon HIL Schematic Editor. Let's dive right in. One of the standout new features is the ability to generate a model building script from a selected part of your model. This feature lets you automatically generate an API for the chosen portion of your model, which can then be used in test automation scripts or component masks. Let's see how this can be done. If we select part of the model in Schematic Editor, then right-click and click on Generate Script from Selection. This creates an API from the selected part of the model, which we can paste into Typhoon Test IDE, for example. As you can see, we now have a full API description of the selected part of the model, without having to write any of the code ourselves. It's a real game changer, especially when you're creating complex new library components, such as models designed for HIL-compatible applications. The next thing we would like to present is visibility improvements. We've introduced new colors and line styles for better distinguishing between the power and signal processing parts of the model. Also, there are now separate options for enabling and disabling parts of the model, so you no longer have to worry about accidentally enabling a part of the model you meant to keep hidden, or vice versa. These enhancements provide more flexibility and control over how you visualize your schematics. Until now, flipping components in your model required you to delete and reconnect components if you wanted to make changes. With the 2023.4 software version, we've introduced a Smart Flip feature in our software that automates the reconnection process. All you need to do is click on the component, like this core coupling, and choose Horizontal Flip with Smart Rewiring. This feature works seamlessly with any component that has a symmetrical number of ports on its sides. One of the more technical but equally significant improvements is the model compilation time. Models now compile up to 50% faster, particularly for larger models that contain a lot of C code. For most models, you can expect a speed boost of around 10 to 20%, and a 35% reduction in software test execution time. Last but not least, we've tuned Schematic Editor and HIL SCADA to be a bit more consistent. You'll find the same actions and a similar user experience in the Library Explorer for both platforms, along with consistent naming conventions. We hope this unification makes your workflow smoother and more intuitive. We strongly encourage you to try out our latest software version. Your feedback is essential to us, and we're excited to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
Check the video description for more resources on this topic, including how to download and get started with Typhoon HIL Control Center for free. You can also visit HIL.Academy to access free courses, expand your HIL testing skill set, and get certified. Subscribe to our channel to get notified about new content.